Good afternoon. It's July the 19th, 2016. Time to recap our trading in the bond today. We came in with a trading range expectation today. Didn't have any news to break it out one way or the other. Thought that we would get up. Saw 172.12 as probably pretty key resistance, and we had a sell zone 11 to 15. Worked out pretty well for us. We did hit 18 late in the session. Our buy zone was 25 to 29. Could have gotten in a little cheaper, but not much. So everything worked out pretty much as planned. And no complaints. This is a big contract. They can put a lot of money in the account. The trade of choice is a retest failure trade right here. That gave you 30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure trade right here, leaning against that bar's low, gave you 12 if you traded it perfectly. If you were late to the party, you would have gotten your 6, your expected 6 on that monkey trade. This retest failure trade gave you 15 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure trade and that one gave you 7 or 8 if you traded it perfectly. This retest failure trade right there gave you 12 if you traded it perfectly. Missed that rally off the bottom. Monkey trade right here, good for 11. And then either of these two trades right here gave you 8 to 9 30 seconds. So there were 7 trades possible depending on which got in. Maybe 8 for a couple. 42 30 seconds, only taking 6 30 seconds when we're right, which is pretty conservative. No losers, which is unusual. 42 30 seconds, and in dollars it's $1,312. This is a good contract. It's a big contract. It can put a lot of money in the account quickly. But if you're not having much luck with whatever vehicle you're using now, give the bond serious consideration. Okay, we gonna offer you 5 free days in the main room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year note, and the E-mini, specializing in E-mini, crude, and the 30-year. In those 5 free days, you'll get to see the software, me, and the methodology work live, real time. You'll get all the answers you need to know whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.